Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Kia and I'm being asked to prepare a typical Swedish dish, and I got an assistant with me today, and your name is?
Julia.
Julia. So a typical traditional Swedish course, we say pancakes. Children love pancakes, and best of all, each and every Thursday almost every home serves pancakes. Do you know how to make pancakes?
Yeah.
You do?
I do.
Excellent. I'm going to start by adding flour in the bowl to nearly 3 deciliters. Then I'm going to bring the milk into this bench. Can you see? Come here. About 3-4 deciliters milk in it. I'm going to use an electrical mixer, it's more easy. Just let's lump it. Use the consistency. And now we need some eggs. Oh lovely, thank you. Here we go, 3 eggs. And I'm going to start to 1, 2, take them all 3. You want to add a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little one. What is the salt? It's gone missing. Just a little bit. Here we go. And stir again. You don't want this one to be too thin. You want it to be a little like this in consistency. Maybe you should add just a little bit more milk. And here we go. It's ready to go in the pan. Just going to use this one up a bit. We need some butter for the pan, don't we? Pancakes in Sweden are often served with whipped cream and strawberry jam or raspberry jam or whatever you like. Which one you ever prefer? Some people usually add butter in this one, but I don't. I use this in the pan instead. Make sure the pan is really hot before you start. So in order to make a traditional Swedish pancake, you add flour, milk. What are they? Flour, milk, eggs, just a teeny weeny little ounce of salt. Extra time to get ready. Patient, patient. So here we go. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's eat. There you go. So I can have some pepper as well. Let's go for it. So dig in. I don't know how you do it, but trying to do it. So here you have a traditional Swedish dish. Pancakes served with cream and jam. Dig in. Nice. So Julia, now we have made this traditional Swedish course, pancakes. It was rather easy to make, don't you think?
Yeah, I think
Yeah. What's something that seemed difficult now?
No.
No, it's quite easy. Easy to do, easy to try and
Easy to eat.
easy to eat. Absolutely. Well, thank you very much for joining us today in the kitchen, and my assistant Julia, who's been a great help. And thank you for eating. Thank you for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye.